Hey folks, it's Aaron, and I'm going to quickly show you how to set up your scheduling link in our ATS system. So when you first log in, you'll come in on the dashboard, you'll go into the top right corner, select My Profile, and then choose Edit Profile. And you'll scroll to the bottom here. Now I've already got my scheduling link set up, but you'll see down here, auto-generated or custom. So custom is if you wanted to use something like Calendly as an outside system per se. But for the sake of this video, we're going to hit auto-generated. So you use our system. You'll choose your default meeting duration, the days of the week that you're available, when your availability starts, and when your availability ends, and then the time zone that you're located in, which is the longest list. You can just type in, for example, my example would be Central Time CST, and then the default meeting welcome, and then just hit Save Changes. Now you'll have your schedule link here. You can select it and paste it into an email if you'd like. For this example, I'm going to show you how to use the templates. So we'll go back over to job posts. I've got myself in here, and I've done this a couple times now. We're going to, you can see the email that I've sent myself, but for this example, we're going to hit send email. We're going to choose the template being interview invitation, and you'll see scheduling link URL here, which is the HTML code that we use. Hit send. And then you'll see the email that was generated based off of that invitation. Now, we know that multiple users will be using the platform, of course. So each user will have their own scheduling link. And when a user, let's say me or Joe next to me, either one of us sends this template out, it's going to have the, if I send it out, it's going to have my scheduling link. If Joe sends it out, it'll have his scheduling link, right? So next, this is what the candidate will see. They'll get this email. We'll open the link here. You can actually just click on it and it'll open it in a new tab. And then they'll put in their email address and then whatever time they'd like to set it up for. So let's say Thursday today at 3 o'clock. That works for me. We'll hit send. All right. And then Thursday at 3 o'clock, I'm scheduled to meet with myself now. So it's a very simple system. You can, and then you can just hit going. Yes. When, however your particular calendar works. But like I said, it's a very simple system to set up, and hopefully this helps you out. Thank you.